Hello, welcome back.
We're back with some more toilet roll crafts.
Yeah.
We've got a few ideas for you. We're gonna try today. We're starting with the unicorn. So for the first craft, we're gonna show you how to make this unicorn.
Yeah.
What you need is some colored paper, toilet roll of course, scissors, glue, and yarn, and some glitter foam paper for the horn. So here's some pink paper. What we need to do is we need to glue it onto
This one.
That one, okay. Then we take the toilet roll and
Wait.
and we do this. Now we're gonna cut these bits. Just make sure you've got a few of these, and then since you already have the glue on, you just fold them in. Do what Cece's doing. Fold it all in.
So now we've covered our whole
Toilet roll with pink paper.
thing.
Alright, so now what's the next step, Cece? The next step is to do the yarn. With this one we went for more of a rainbowy color, but with this one we're going to go with pure pink.
Pure.
So I've got all these shades of pink. So we're just going to cut out a few yards of pink yarn from each. So now we've got this yarn, and what we're going to do is take a little piece from here. We're just going to tie all this together
Oh, look, that one's already.
just to make sure that they're secure. Now we're going to go ahead and give them a trim.
Da-da-da.
Now that the yarn is ready, we're going to secure it to the toilet roll. Look at the seam, and this is where the tail is going to go. So this is where the long part is going to go. Now the short part is going to go right here. So you can use hot glue to secure it in place, but I'm just going to do the easy way and use this stapler.
Stapler is much faster. But pokey. Look. Pokey.
Okay, so as you see, now this part, I'm going to use the glue
And funky glue.
to just secure the front part. Use a liberal amount of glue. Can you close this one, please?
Look at it.
In my hand. And now, do you want to trim? Here, do you want to trim this part?
Turn is my thing.
Okay, see? Oh, it's so cute! While Celine is trimming the mane, whoa, careful, over. I'm gonna prepare the horn. That's really easy. What you're gonna do is bend this in half, because you want two sides. Just draw a horn, triangle. Take the paper on one side. Make sure you stick them.
Oh my gosh. This is not good.
Alright, you need to trim it a little bit, it's fine. So hair style by Celine, all done. And look at the bag, she's so cute. Horn is ready. What we're gonna do is we're going to stick it right here. Now we're going to do the face.
Yeah, which means eyes, mouth, and cheeks.
No, we're just doing eyes and cheeks.
Oh yeah. No mouth, guys.
Here we go. These are the eyes, and Cece's gonna do the cheeks.
Yeah, and I'm gonna use a bright and beautiful pink.
Last thing we've got is the ears.
Together.
Take the same paper that you used to cover up the toilet roll and just put some glue right here. reason I've done that is just to have the paper just a little thicker so that it will hold the shape of the ears. Fold it in half. Draw the shape of the ears.
Which I love the shape of ears.
Cece will cut it.
Cut. And these are the cute
Hang on.
ears.
So now we're gonna take the same pink pen and just do
A triangle, a smaller triangle.
a smaller
That's-
triangle in the
That's
middle here.
the inside of the ear.
Yeah, just like that. Now once you're done with that part, just do
Just
a
chop it.
little cut right here.
Just do a teeny chop.
And what you do, just put a little bit of glue right here on the tip,
Just like that.
and then you insert this here. Okay, and then you put your ear on. So here she is, the pink unicorn. Once the glue dries, these will just stay on. So just leave them, don't touch them until it dries. Now Cece, it's time to bring her to life and give her a name.
Abracadabra.
What's her name?
Pinky?
Really, Pinky? Okay.
Pinky.
Alright.
Hello, Pinky.
Alright, put her on the side and on to the next craft.
Yes.